I'm just heading back to the house around along an old gravel road. And I look down and look at that. See the lines in there? I'm pretty sure that's an agate. Wish it was the whole thing, but cool. I find stuff along this gravel road all the time. I watch a lot of videos. People gathering crystals and agates and that kind of stuff. But they usually go like up in the mountains, maybe along creeks, rock outcroppings. But for a while now, past few months, I've just been walking along this gravel road. I don't know what that is. Of course, it's red though. I don't think it's going to polish very well. I'm still learning what each kind of stone is called. But what got me started, I found a nice smooth piece of quartz with like gold colored lines in it. Ever since then, I've been not only looking up for wildlife, but nose to the road too. You just never know what you're going to find. I even found a rock that had itty bitty little pieces of garnet attached to it. Kind of like a sandstone. They had coarse quartz and possibly topaz. I got it at the house. I gotta take it somewhere and see if anybody knows what it is. Nope. But I'm really not looking that close for anything good. But well, if you liked the video, I'll post more as we get warmer weather. Right now it's January 20th, 2018. The little town of Buckland, Missouri. Last census, it was population 467. But anyway, thanks for watching.